Wow, I'm standing in a garden. Lovely, and all my students are just, it has formed a stadium over here. But I'm very sorry, I have to remove it. Okay, good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. I hope you have enjoyed your maths class, and now it's the time for your English class, right? So, after closing class with Manushi ma'am, let's start our activity class of animal sounds. So, today we are going to do activity on animal sound. Okay, now previous class, what we did the rhyme, oh MacDonald had a farm, right? Do you remember, students? So shall we recite once the rhyme? Oh MacDonald had a farm. What? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and in that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Right? So, we did the dance also, action also with that rhyme on Friday. Now, today, there will be one game. Are you ready to play a game? Are you ready to play a game with me? Okay, so today's game is going to be very interesting because I'm going to give you some sounds, only sounds, okay, and you have to identify those sounds and you have to give me the answer in the chat box because today I cannot listen you, so you have to give me the answer in the chat box. I would request all the students to please mute your microphones so that each and every student can listen the sound properly. Okay, so all of you please mute your microphones. Okay, everyone has given their attendance? Done? So let's start with the sound. Okay, everyone is ready? Who is not ready? Ready or not? Ready or not? Yes. So, here comes your first sound, okay? I'm going to give you your first sound. So, listen it properly. No sounds at all. Everyone has muted their microphones. Okay, very good. Very good. So, let's start our game. And as soon I will announce the student's name who will give me the first three students, okay, who will identify the sound first. So first three students, let us see who can identify first. So here comes the first sound. Ready? Ready, students? Okay, I have started receiving answers and it's Nandini, Shumrik Roy Chaudhary, Shatoki, Inakshi, Prithviraj, Parinita, Orgho Mondol. Everyone had identified. Shatoki, you have not completed your word, beta. So, no problem. You have not completed your word. Still, you have tried to give the correct answer, and the first three students, Nandini, Shumrik Roy Chaudhary and Shatoki Inakshi. Because Shatoki has left his word incomplete, I am taking Inakshi also. So these are the students, and rest of all the students, Parinita, Orgo, everyone has given the correct answer. Yes, it's the correct answer is cat. You have identified the correct sound, that is cat. So let us write down the first animal is cat, and all my BMS champions have identified them. Now let us see which is the second animal. Okay, get ready everyone. Okay, so let's see. I started receiving some answers, and it's Ritika. It's let's see. Uh, Arjo, Ritika has given the answer. Arjo has given the answer. Inakshi has given the answer. Shugato, Parinita. Okay, only Inakshi. But Inakshi, it's not frog. It's dog. It's dog. Okay. So everyone has identified the correct answer. It's dog. So let us write down dog. Okay. Okay. Now let us go for the next one. No problem, beta. Come on. Now just be conscious and listen the sound, which is the next one. So let us see. Wow, very good. Outstanding. So here is the first student, Ayushman Ritika Arjo, to first identify the sound of the animal. And the rest of the students have also given the correct answer. It's Shomrik, Nandini, Afrin, Inakshi, Orgho, Parinita, Shugato, Shushobhan, Tomojit, and here is Shatuki. Yes, it's duck. Duck. Very good. That means you listen to the environment very nicely, right? Whenever you go with your parents, you listen the environment very nicely. Very good. Now let us go for the next sound. And the next sound is, let's start. So, already I have started receiving lots of answers. So, the first one has been given by Ayushman, then after Arjo, then after Nandini, then after Shatoki, Porinita, Ritika, Shomrik, Inakshi, Shushobhan, Orghomondol, Shugato, Afrin. But here there are mixture of answers. Some has given cow, some has given goat, some has given sheep. So the correct answer is, the first one to trace it out is Nandini. Ship is the correct answer. So Nandini is the first one to give the correct answer. Then after comes our, anyone? Only Nandini has given the correct answer. Very good, Nandini. Yes, now I am getting the answer. So Nandini is the only one to give the correct answer. It's ship. Okay. Now let's go for the next sound. So let's see. Okay. So here comes the sound, and the first one to give and identify, that is Arjo, Inakshi and Afrin. Very good. Arjo, Inakshi, Afrin. Then after Nandini, Ritika, Orgho, Parinita, Ayushman, Shugato. Everyone has given the correct answer. It's horse. You have identified the correct one. It's horse. So let us write down horse. Now let us identify the next one. So did you identify it? And here are the bunch of answers from my VMS champions, and the first one is Nandini, second one is Shomrik Rai Chaudhary, and third one is Arjo. Very fast, very good. And the rest of the students has also identified, maybe it can be buffalo, but here it is cow, beta. Shatoki, you are not wrong, it's cow or buffalo, but Trishita, it's not sheep. It's not sheep. Okay, so let us go for cow, right? Now let us go for the next one. So, got it? Who is going to give the correct answer now? Okay, I got the first answer. Second one also. Okay, third one also, and everyone is giving the answer. Ayushman has given tiger, Shatuki lion, Afrin Sultana lion, and the rest of the students Arjo tiger, Shomrik Roy Chaudhuri tiger. Okay, so it's lion, but tiger also makes the sound in similar way. So I can consider that answer also. But the first one to identify the correct sound is one, that is Shatuki, then after Afrin Sultana and Parinita. Very good. And the rest of the students also, you have tried the level best and you are very similar, very near to your answer also. Very good. So it's lion. Now let's identify the sound of our next animal. Okay. So let us see who can identify. So who is that to identify this one? Okay, Nandini is the first one, Inakshi is the second one, third Shatuki, fourth Arjo, and then after Ritika, then after Shushobhan. Okay, but Shatuki and Shushobhan, beta, it is neither wolf, neither cock. Okay, it's elephant. It was the sound of elephant. Okay, so let us write down elephant. Elephant. Okay, now let us go for the next one. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. I am giving the sound. Okay, so now let's see who can identify the sound. So I have received only one answer till now. No, there are many answers. Nandini has given, Shugato has given. Okay, so Shugato, it's not hen beta, it's owl. Nandini and Arjo and Inakshi are the three who identified the animal first, and rest of the student Afrin, Shomrik, Parinita, everyone has answered correctly. Shatuki, it's not peacock, it's owl. Okay, that was the sound of owl. So let us write down owl. Later on, after completion of this game, I will show you the answers also. Okay, so let us see the next one. So anyone identified? Okay, I started receiving answers, and really you are champions. You can identify so nicely. Wow. Nandini, Arju, Inakshi, Jasim, Parinita. Okay, so Shomrik Rai Chaudhuri, it's not crow, it's monkey. It was the sound of monkey. Okay, and what are the different sounds called, that we will discuss later on. First, let us identify the sound of nature. Okay, how they make different kind of sounds. So it was monkey. It was monkey. Now let us go for next one. So here was the new sound, and let us see who can identify first. And here is Ayushman. Ayushman has identified first, and yes, it's Kaku. It's Kaku, that is called Koyal or Kokil, and that was the sound of Kaku. And those who have not written the spelling properly, please write it down. It's Kaku. Cucko. Okay, Kaku. Now let us go for the new sound. New sound, okay? And this is the last one. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I have received lots of answers, and those all answers, everyone has identified it differently. Like Nandini has identified it as frog, Nandini and Arjo. Ayushman thinks it is tiger, Afrin thinks it is frog, and Ritika, your frog spelling is wrong. Orghamandal is thinking it is frog. Inakshi, according to Inakshi, it is peacock. Jasim, it is frog. And according to Shushobhan, it is tiger. And here, Shatuki, it's dog. Okay, so let me tell you what it is. And it is gorilla. It is gorilla. Yes. So it's gorilla. Okay, now I will show you the sounds and the pictures of the animals properly. Okay, so let's start. So students, this was the sound and the game we played. Today we identified the sound of cat, we identified the sound of dog, we identified the sound of duck, we identified the sound of sheep, we identified the sound of horse, we identified the sound of cow, lion, elephant, owl, monkey, cuckoo and gorilla, right? So next day we will discuss that what these sounds are termed as, particularly known as in English. Okay, so it was a very nice experience of mine to play with you. And how did you feel? How did you feel? Did you enjoy the class? Did you enjoy the class? Okay, that's very nice. And এর আগে এতগুলো সাউন্ড একসঙ্গে শুনেছো? এতগুলো সাউন্ড একসঙ্গে শুনেছিলে? Did you hear many sounds together of different animals before this? Okay, very good. It was exciting. Okay, that's very nice, Ritika. So you felt that the class is exciting, and I can see Inakshi is using something, phone or something. Inakshi, that should not be used. I have shown you the video because, okay, so don't play with that toy beta now. Okay, Inakshi, keep it aside. Afterwards you will play with the toy, okay? Very good. So here was the class regarding the sounds of different animals. Now next day we will discuss what these sounds known as. Till that time, bye bye.